Well, it's a pleasure to have you all here for these few days. I'd like to thank Professor Sola for organizing this big event with all of you. It's really a pleasure and an honor for all of us to have you here.
We're really lucky to be in Las Palmas to work with a team here of African partners, of technologists, of physicians, putting together a project that we're starting called the Open Anatomy Project, where our goal is to bring the knowledge of anatomy atlases and that is traditionally contained in books, but bring them to the electronic age where we can all share in authoring and bringing medical knowledge to places where we need them. I'm going to say that again. The Open Anatomy Project is a project to bring the knowledge that is traditionally contained in anatomy atlases and make it available for free throughout the world. We're working here in the Canary Islands with Juan and African partners and technology partners to build a collaborative environment where physicians can bring cases from their experiences throughout the world and make them available for the education of others. We think it's an exciting opportunity to combine technology and the unique capabilities of the Canary Islands to do outreach and collaboration in Africa, bring them together to produce something that the whole world can benefit from.
What we have been doing, what we're doing in Las Palmas this week is to have a meeting that's traditionally held in Boston. It's been held in Germany, and it's to bring it here, to bring the Canary Islands into the fold and our African partners to ensure that any of these solutions that we can build together that are openly available for the entire community to use and to contribute to that. So not only can the physicians take benefit of these solutions in making their own the solutions they deliver to their patients better, but also the scientists that they're training and the engineers to help them get to the next level of being able to contribute to medical image computation software solutions and image-guided therapy systems. And today we have here about 65 scientists from the worldwide community. There are people from Boston, there are people here from Heidelberg Cancer Center, there are people here from Paris who have been developing solutions for deep brain stimulation and epilepsy. They're here. There are 3 professors here from Harvard Medical School, and along with Juan Ruiz's team from the Canary Islands. And what we are seeing is this international community coming together and building solutions that none of us individually have the resources to be able to do.
Yeah, what we find that image-guided therapy is a very important field because it allows us to do operations with increased efficiency and like better outcomes overall and lower, like shorter recovery times for patients and saving costs. Our group, the PERC Lab at Queen's University in Canada, is a translational research group. We take algorithms that are developed by the scientific community and take them to the operating room to improve patient care. We mostly work with ultrasound and surgical navigation systems that allow us to take images of the patient in real time during operations and have the surgeons guide their tools to remove tumors or take biopsy samples faster and with better accuracy. Yes, definitely. What is unique in our lab and in the community that our lab is part of is that we develop all the solutions on open source platforms. So anything that we do and publish, we make it so that anybody else can reproduce it. We share all the data, share all the software, share all the hardware configuration information, so anybody can reproduce it in their own environment, adapt it to their own needs, and also it makes collaborations very easy because we don't withhold information. We very openly work with others and share what we learn. Yeah, so this collaboration with the African countries is something that's very exciting because they have different problems, different needs. So the same technologies that we use in Canada can be slightly changed, adapted, and be used for solving completely different problems. So it's not just tuning something that is already quite good to make it even better, but we can apply it to completely different problems and maybe make a bigger impact with the same technology.